Good morning, everyone. In the previous class, we have learned at different topics in food security. So, in that, we have found less kilocalories are having many percent of the people in India, in rural area as well as urban regions. People are getting low kilocalories. So, what are the reasons for low kilocalories that the people are having in India? So, mainly poverty, unemployment, poverty, economic backwardness, unemployment, low purchasing power, low purchasing capacity, and public facilities. Public facilities. So these are the important reasons that the people are having low kilocalories in India, and also the percentage of people in India who are consuming different grains. So, for example, the 39% of the people who are 39% of the people who are getting uh, ration rice in India. 28% of the people, 28% of the people who are getting wheat in India. So nutrition levels are alarming status, alarming status in India, alarming levels in India. So as well as children, as well as men and women are also not having sufficient nutrition levels in India. So in the previous videos we have learnt that the first aspect of food security, first aspect of food security is production and availability of the food. Second aspect, access to food. Third aspect, nutrition status. Third aspect, today we are learning the nutrition status. So look at the nutrition status in nutrition status of the families in India. Look at the nutrition status of families in India. So when there are many percent of the many percentage, so large percentage of people, children who have not getting the nutrition levels. Actually, the food that we have consumed classified into four categories. The food that the food that we have consumed classified into four types. The food that we have required food for functioning for our body functionings. We required food for our body functioning. So the food that we have consumed classified into four types. The first one is the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates for energy. Carbohydrates mostly we have found in rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, ragi. These are the coarse grains and fine cereals having generating the energy for energy, and also oils, fat through which we can etc. So through which we can get the energy. The carbohydrates are very essential. We are getting energy and doing different works by that energy. Second one is protein. Proteins for growth, and generation of tissues, body tissues. So proteins, growth and generation of body tissues. So importantly, we have found mostly we have found in the proteins in dal, beans, meat, eggs, and also we have found the proteins in rice and wheat also, right? And rice and wheat. So through which we can get the proteins, and for growth and generation of body tissues. Regeneration of body tissues. Next, third one is the vitamins. Vitamins for protection. Vitamins for protection. Protect vital systems of the body. Vitamins are protect vital systems of our body. Vitamins we are mostly getting from fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, sprouts. From that we are getting the vitamins. Vitamins are vital, protect our vital systems of our body. So for protection, the vitamins for protection. Next, minerals for iron and blood formation. Mostly vitamins for iron and regeneration, blood formation. We have found mostly in leafy vegetables and coarse grains such as in ragi. Also we have found the minerals. So these are the food items that we are taking in our day-to-day lives, classified into 4. These 4 are very essential to our body, generating energy, growth and protection, and blood formation, iron and blood formation, etc. So according to the survey conducted by NIN, National Institute of Nutrition, NIN was gave report about the children nutrition status in India. The alarming status of nutrition levels in India. There is the alarming nutrition levels in India. We have found so that most of the children not getting nutrition food in India according to the survey. So generally we have measured the weight, and based on weight and height of the children we can find whether the children were having nutrition or not. Generally we are measured weight and based on weight and height, and we have find whether the children are having nutrition or not. So Anganwadis weight charts are used. Weight machines and charts are used, and according to the doctors prescribed the specific age, children are male children are adults, the specific weight should be considered should be have that is considered that that particular person having the less weight or overweight. Doctors are prescribed the according to the age, they can prescribe the weight of the person, the specific weight they have to required each person weight and height. According to that, we can consider that that person having nutrition what is the nutrition level of the particular person. So NIM surveyed out of 7,000 children aged 1 to 5 years. So among them, they conducted survey out of 7,000 children aged 1 to 7 years children. Among them, less weight higher in 3 to 5 years children. So less weight higher in 3 to 5 years children compared to 1 to 3 years children. 1 to 3 years children in India. According to NIM survey, among the children in the country, 45% of the children are not getting are come under the less weight, means underweight. Chronic energy deficiency. They have chronic energy deficiency, underweight or less weight, chronic energy deficiency. 45% of the children are come under the less weight in India. Especially some states are having less weight. So those are Gujarat, found 58% less weight children. Madhya Pradesh found 56.9% children have less weight. In Uttar Pradesh, 53% of the children are having less weight. Which state has lowest less weight in India? Means Kerala. Kerala has only 24% of the children they have less weight in Kerala. In Kerala, 24% of the children has have the less weight children. So among India, the severe chronic energy deficiency, we have found 16% of the children are come under the severe chronic energy deficiency, means severe less weight. We have found in 16% of the people in India. So these are the conditions need to improve. So the government was taking many welfare programs and implementing programs like providing food through the Anganwadis to children, and also providing midday meals to rectify the less weight in India. So another one is BMI, body mass index. So men and women, the energy deficiency. So the nutrition status among the men and women, measured by body mass index, BMI, body mass index, through which we can say that the men and women, how they have the nutrition status. The nutrition status among the adult men and women measured through the body mass index. Body mass index is measured with weight in kgs, height in meters. Weight in kgs and height in meters. So that is based on that the body mass index. The doctors were prescribed the specific height and weight for the particular age in the specific age. In each person, according to their age, they should have the specific weight and height. So by the body mass index we can measure the nutrition status of the men and women. So chronic energy deficiency, according to the NIN report, less weight or chronic energy deficiency, BMI less than 18.5. If the person has the BMI, body mass index, less than 18.5, means those who are come under the less weight or chronic energy deficiency. In India, the underweight men and women, among the men, 35% of the men are come under the chronic energy deficiency. Among the women also, 35% of the women are come under the underweight in India. So overweight and obesity, if the persons are taking more than their required kilocalories, means that is come under the overweight or obesity. So BMI, body mass index, greater than 25, body mass greater than 25, body mass index greater than 25 means those are come under the overweight or obesity. In India, among the men, 10% of the men are suffering from obesity or overweight. Among the women, 14% of the women are suffering from obesity or overweight. Chronic energy deficiency was highest in states of Odisha, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Chronic energy deficiency we have found in mostly we have found in 3 states, that is Odisha, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Next followed other states also, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Found 33 to 38% of the less weight we have found in these states. So underweight or less weight. Chronic energy deficiency found in mostly in Odisha, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. After Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, etc. So these states, in these states they are suffering from the less weight or underweight and chronic energy deficiency. Here one example is also given in a textbook. So rickshaw puller in Bilaspur. Rickshaw puller in Bilaspur. He is he is earning every day 70 to 80 rupees per day. He is earning 70 to 80 rupees per day. So he has paying 400 rupees for his rented house. He is paying 400 rupees rent for his house and 100 rupees he is paying 100 rupees electricity bill. He is paying 100 rupees electricity bill. So he is getting benefited by the PDS system. By the PDS system, he is getting 35 kgs of rice per month for his family. But 35 kgs of grains are not sufficient for his family. Only 11 days they have to survive by the 35 kgs of rice. So then afterwards he is buying grains in outside market and other expenses are there in the family. So that money he is earning 70 to 80 rupees is not sufficient for him. Even the government is providing the food grains to the poor people. They are not able to getting the nutrition food. So food grains as well as other food items they cannot able to purchase by by their income, so they are come under the uh, chronic energy deficiency, come under the underweight, and they are suffering caused infectious diseases and other problems they are facing, and they lost their living under the they are living under the chronic energy deficiency, and their living standards are very low. Their living standards are very low, and the life expectancy uh, is also low for the people in India, low in the poor people. So thank you, children. We have completed this lesson. So in this lesson, completed this lesson. So next, I will go to the 12th lesson next class.